Hi, I'm Megan Gould. I am 28 from Sheboygan, Wisconsin. I moved into the area about 2 years ago, and that's kind of when I was starting to look at Botox. You know, I want to be a spring chicken for as long as I can, so I just wanted to, do some preventative measures. I just did a bunch of, Google searching and saw this place, West End. And so I decided to give it a try. Got my first Botox appointment probably a year and a half ago or so. And I cannot rant and rave enough about the people here. Everybody is extremely kind, and it's a very rewarding place and very trusting place for my side, which is obviously very important for patients. To get to the rhinoplasty part, growing up, my dad, Fred, he always called me little Fredhead, and it's because of my nose. And I always had a very long nose, and I just always did not feel like it was very proportionate to my face. There wasn't anything wrong with it, but I also wanted to be more confident in my own skin. So I decided, I've been wanting a rhinoplasty for many years, and I just never really found a place or the desire to actually go through with it. But since establishing myself as a patient here, getting Botox, I knew that I would receive amazing treatment. I read some of Dr. Wang's history and her credentials, and again, I cannot rant and rave about her enough. So I entrusted her to do my rhinoplasty, which is big because that's on your face, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's not, Botox goes away, but a rhino is forever, so. First thought is, it's like talking to a friend. And I kind of want to be her friend, actually. I really do. But my first thought was not, you're the surgeon. It's, let me talk to you on like a girl-to-girl level. And then the surgeon side of her, just comes out through knowledge. But it's never like you're talking to somebody that doesn't have an investment in you. And one of our initial conversations was her explaining that she wanted to make me look myself, just a little more enhanced in the way that I want to enhance myself. It was never to completely restructure or change the way I look. When you first get the cast off, you look like a potato, because everything is super swollen. But even from the moment that the cast came off, I saw a huge difference in the profile. Noses take a full year to heal, and the tip is what stays swollen the longest. So I wasn't focused on the fact that I look like a potato from the front, I could tell that there was a huge difference from the profile, and that was where I was most self-conscious. And then basically with just the swelling going down, the tip, you just have to trust the process. So it's only been 3 weeks, and I literally had a conversation with Dr. Wang earlier. I said that if the swelling never came down from this, I'd be more than enthralled with the result. So it can only go up, and I'm already very satisfied. It's only been 3 weeks. The day I got my surgery, Dr. Wang and the anesthesiologist called me that night. And granted, I was very much not awake. But they both left voicemails, they both touched base, and this is long after working hours. And they both called me on my, my cell phone. So it's like they care about you as a patient, they care about you as a person, they care about your healing, and they're always very adamant about making sure that you're receiving the best treatment possible. So again, I cannot rant and rave about this team. And I guess the only other thing is, everybody from the most junior to the most senior are extremely helpful and knowledgeable, and they all put you at ease no matter what job that they're doing.